Hello everyone, this is Priyanka. Welcome to my channel Priyanka's IT School. Today in this tutorial, I will be discussing about a very interesting, plugin that's all about Selector Hub and which is made by Sanjay Kumar. Okay, so this particular plugin will help you to automate your applications, basically to identify the locators. You can follow this plugin. Let me introduce what exactly Selector Hub it is. Actually, it is available in two different flavor. One is a free tool, which is a free plugin Selector Hub. And the second here you can see, which is a pro version. So it is again a paid version, but hardly, okay, you need to pay a basic amount and you can use it. Even they have a quite offers again that you can use Selector Hub Pro for lifetime. Yeah, you can see this today's offer also available, right? So these two plugins you can follow to automate or to get the locator for any web element. So I will be explaining today, first of all, how to add this plugin to the browser and how exactly you can use it while automating any web application. Let me show you guys what's the step. If you click on this particular plugin, right, here they have mentioned that some documentation you can see that Selector Hub is a free and it is a next gen XPath plugin and the CSS selector plugin. Let me tell you, not only XPath and CSS, but yes, all the primary locators also you can identify with the help of this plugin. Even it is supported for different browsers. So as per the browser, whatever browser you are using, you can just install that plugin onto that browser. See, if I just go to the install, okay, which is already available in my Chrome, but you can see this is how you will get it. And in my Chrome, it is already available. So you will get this option. See, I'm getting here remove from Chrome, right? Remove from Chrome. But in your case, you'll be getting add to Chrome. You just need to click on that button and it will be added to the Chrome. So now somewhere like this, here you can see that, okay, here you can access that particular plugin. This is how you can use a particular plugin, right? But now let me show you with some application, like how we can automate any application with the help of Selector Hub plugin. So guys, either you can follow the dev tool, like when we do inspect and when we open that DOM area, right? This is actually dev tool. Through this dev tool, you can automate and locate your element. You can get the address. But now once you add a plugin somewhere here, okay, somewhere here you can find out that plugin. If you just go to this, either you can go for Selector Hub Pro or Selector Hub. If you click here, you are able to access that particular plugin. So guys, now you can see it is highlighting that complete page, right? If I really want to automate, if I really want to take the locator for email ID, through the DOM, we can do what? We can just click on the arrow and we can click on that element and it is highlighting here. But now because of Selector Hub, what is happening? I am able to highlight that element and even you can see the best part is what? Directly here in the plugin, you can notice, just a minute. Let me again go back to my plugin. Okay. I want, just a minute, some else. Yeah, let me go to element. Fine. And now you can see here by default, I'm able to see all the locator. Can you see the difference? Here we are able to highlight the code. Then we need to observe the element. Then we need to observe that exact locator. But with respect to this plugin, if you try, then you can access all the locator by default here. See, I'm getting directly. This is ID. This is email ID, right? Or this is a name locator. This is a class name. And we can directly follow the same. Are you getting my point? So if I just select this ID, we can copy this ID and we can use it. Even here also you can try and you can hit enter key. Now in that case, you are able to locate that, okay, how many elements get matched. See, currently I'm getting what? Email ID directly and zero element is matched because I have used ID. But if I can use XPath and if I just again use enter, right? Now you can see I'm getting one element is matched. So basically XPath and CSS also you can locate. I mean, you can get that for that particular element using Selector Hub. But let me show you with practice how you can simple use this plugin to locate any element and how you can simple automate application using Selector Hub. So guys, again, I will be starting with this application. So let me copy this URL. I'll go back to the test case. Let me create another test case now. So this is what locators with tool or this plugin. So I'm just writing locators with plugin and let me show you. The very first step in automation, very first step we need to follow, that's create, right? We need to create a new driver session. So this is a common step. Create driver session. Let me write web driver driver. It is equal to new. Again, I will be taking Chrome driver and let me import these two classes. I mean web driver interface and Chrome driver class from Selenium. Now we can use driver.get. Here I can pass that URL. But this time, how simple it is because we'll be automating each and every element with the help of Selector Hub. So guys, I will follow this tool. Now let me help you with this tool again. So by default, you can see there are other locators also you can observe, right? Even if you have a pro version, you can customize the UI. Suppose there are other locator means locators supported by TestRicher, Playwright, all these things are available. If you really don't want to see those locator for now, you can just, uncheck those checkboxes. See, I'm keeping all the primary locator here. And at this step, if I close, you can see I'm getting a simple UI. Okay, let's automate. So guys, what the first step? Either you can click on this arrow and then you can click on that email. And here you can see you are getting some locator, correct? Even the best part is these numbers you are able to observe, which you are able to see that how many class names are common. Maybe for some other element also 3 times this class name is common. See, tag name is also 4 times. This tag name is common. So you are getting this particular count also about that element, right? But yes, as I discussed, very first we need to start with the primary locator. You can directly follow this ID and you can directly use it. So guys, here you will have a copy option. You can directly copy that and you can come back to the script and you can write your script. So driver dot find element. Again, I will be writing by dot ID and here I will paste that particular ID. Okay, let me copy again. So let me go back to the original page. Let me do copy. ID is copied. And now this ID I will be pasting here. Okay, see, email ID. And then of course, we can simple perform the action, send keys, and here we can pass the data. So guys, let me pass the data. Again, I'm writing test@gmail.com. Okay, I'm trying to enter into that, email address. Then I would like to go with password again. Now it is quite simple because here now we don't need to inspect it from the DOM. Directly you can click on the arrow. Even you can go to the password. Just click. See one more time. Click. And it is highlighting also. So you are able to observe that which element we are locating. Okay, that's again a best part of Selector Hub. And now you can see I'm getting some another locators too. Let me take this name this time. So I will again copy the name. And you can write your script here. So guys, driver dot find element. Again by dot name. And here we can pass that name. Let's pass again our data. Example test 1, 2, 3. And yes, we are ready with that particular step. Let me again click on submit button, or before submit, let me click on checkbox. And now you can see we are having CSS selector, XPath, index space XPath. Okay, what are these? We will discuss. Even absolute XPath is also there, right? But now this time I will be taking ID, which is the primary one. Even the best part is somewhere if you are directly opening that application and if you do right click directly, okay, when you have a plugin with you, guys, one more beauty is what? Through here also, like through the right click also, you can directly access that locator. See, I'm getting ID. Same ID you can see in the Selector Hub, that particular plugin. And if you install it, only by right clicking also, you are able to locate that element and you can directly copy that element. Okay, copy that particular address and you can use it for automation. So let me show you for checkbox. So here I'm writing driver dot find element, again by dot ID, and let me paste that ID. On the checkbox, let's perform the action click. And then guys, let me show you for submit button. So basically any element you can capture and you can identify the address using Selector Hub plugin. See one more time. I'm taking ID again because so far we haven't discussed what is XPath and what is CSS selector. So I'm just showing you the primary locator with the same plugin selector hub. Okay. Now let's see. Driver dot find element again by ID, and here I can pass that ID, and let's do click on that particular element. And that's it, guys. With the help of selector hubs, we have we are able to capture each and every locator, and we are able to prepare our automation script. And you can see it's working also. So basically, selector hub is specially designed for XPath and CSS selector. So in the future sessions, I will be covering that. So basically in upcoming videos, we will explore some other features, some more features of the selector hub. Till the time, you can just go to the official website, check out all the different tools, products, which is simply prepared, okay, for testing community. And that's all for this video, guys. Okay, so we will have another topic to be discussed in the next video where I'm going to again explore this entire plugin. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.